Hi everyone, it's finally official. All those leaks have been confirmed and we now know everything about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. From the design and specification to its launch date and pricing, this phone is shaping up to the true gaming changer. You might think Samsung is recycling the same feature with the same minor tweak, but trust me, this time they are going big. Let's dive in and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Your support really helps us bring you the latest tech news. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is bringing some subtle yet significant changes. The phone will have more curved corner for improvement on handed use along with the titanium frame that's no thinner and flatter compared to the S24 Ultra. This not only enhanced comfort but also increased durability, as the curved edges are better at absorbing shocks if the phone happen for fall. And don't worry, the classic premium look is still intact with the new color option like titanium black, titanium gold, titanium blue and titanium white silver. Now let's talk about the display. The S25 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus screen with the 120 Hz refresh rate, slightly larger than the 6.8-inch screen on the S24 Ultra. There were some rumors that Samsung might skip the M14 panel used in the phone 16 Pro Max, the M14 panel used in the iPhone 16 Pro. But good news, the S25 Ultra will feature the same M14 panel. Why this is important? The M14 panel offers better color, sharper detail and brightness up to 3000 nits. It's also more energy efficient, meaning your battery will last longer and use less power over time. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip is a huge upgrade from the Screen 8 Generation 3 and it's outperforms Apple A18 Pro chip. The Snapdragon 8 Elite uses 44% less power on the CPU and 40% on the GPU, which means a more efficient phone overall. Pair that with the new M14 display, and you have got a setup that will drastically reduce battery drain, keeping your phone running longer throughout the day. While the battery size remains at 5000 mAh and charging speed is still capped at 45W. Don't worry about battery life. The combination of the new chipset and the energy efficient display means that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have significant better battery performance even with the same hardware. Let's talk the camera. The S25 Ultra will keep the same general design and sensor setup as the predecessor, but with the same key improvement, the 200 megapixel main sensor and 50 megapixel and 10 megapixel zoom camera add styling. But the big upgrade is the ultra wide camera, which now feature the 50 megapixel sensor up from the 12 megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra. The main sharper, more detailed shoot even in wide angle photo. On top of that, we are getting advanced AI driven image processing, better video recording capability and enhanced AI feature that will make your photo and video look better than ever. Samsung One UI 7 will adapting with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Built to Android 15, this is Samsung's cleanest, most advanced interface yet, except the sleeker, faster user experience with the heavy emphasis on AI. While the S24 Ultra brought impressive AI tools, the S25 Ultra take it to a whole new level. Samsung AI capability will be some of the best in the market and they are the set outshine Apple on AI system, which is not quite ready yet. So you can say, can you get your hand on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Samsung is set to unveil the phone at this unpacked event on January 22, 2025, except the device to be available for purchasing early February 2025. For this price, the S25 Ultra will start $1,299, the same at the S24 Ultra, so which is a cutting-edge performance, stunning display, better battery life, and advanced AI feature. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Android flagship ever. Are these transformative upgrade enough to make you consider upgrading to the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to check to the next one. It's packed with even more tech insight. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news in tech. Thanks for watching and we will see in the next video.